Ravi sir, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Hello everyone. So today the class will get over sharply by 7:40. 7:45. We want everyone to stay back. We'll have the closing ceremony protocols and followed by the announcements for the further assignments. So we want everyone to stay back. So Ravi sir, just wind up by 7:40, and I'll send the link in all the groups so all the members would be joining at that time. Thank you.
Okay. So after that, just you download the photo, and first you can do open also, but better way is take new document and choose inches, give 10 inch into 2 inch, and resolution give as 300 and give OK. And go to that image, file, place, and where is that WhatsApp image downloaded, and so it will automatically place, give enter. Okay, so the original layer I'll hide it, and if you see we have white background in this, so I don't want the white background. So this can be applicable only we have opposite to color, color to white, otherwise you can't use this concept. So once you imported the image means go to select menu, we'll be having option called color range. Okay, select that particular layer, go to select menu, in that select on color range and click on the white color. Only click on the white color, not blue or something, only white color, and you can increase or decrease the fuzziness and give OK. Now you give delete. Could not complete because the smart object. So this icon is there, smart object icon, right click and rasterize. Now you give delete. Only the white color will be deleted. So other colors will be there. Getting it? Anyone else?
Sir, can you repeat again? Sir, once can you repeat again?
Once again, I'll repeat. See, just till importing photo, everyone knows. Hello. Placing images.
Yes,
placing image is normal concept only. Then select that particular layer. Go to select menu. In that you will be seeing an option called color range.
Sir.
Yes.
In my this Photoshop thing, I'm not getting the place option. I'm getting as the place embedded, place linked.
Yours is Apple system.
No, sir. Normal system.
You give place embedded.
Place embedded.
So once you placed means go to select menu, color range. Select only the white color. Which color you want to remove, only that color you choose. Example, in this image, I want to remove the white color. First you select only the white color. One eyedropper symbol will be there. Click on the white color and give OK. After that, press delete key. Nothing you have to do, delete key and press Ctrl D, deselect. Nothing. So the only the white color got deleted. This can be.
I didn't understand.
Don't understand.
I didn't understand.
See, ma, once again.
Sir, after the color range, you selected white color. For us, white color is not been shown, sir.
In JCI. This original layer you hide, ma. This original layer you hide it.
We've hidden the original layer, sir.
Then you'll be seeing like this or some how you're seeing? Like this.
I'm seeing like this only. I'm seeing like this only after color range.
Okay.
I am not white color. I am getting all other colors: red, yellow, green, cyan, blue, magenta.
In color range. In sample color, you make a sample color. Suppose if it got changed, means make it a sample color.
Okay. Then after that,
one eyedropper will be there, and click on the white color in the workspace.
Eyedropper is not coming, sir.
It will come, ma.
No, sir.
You clicked on the sample color,
Yes, sir.
and then just click on the white color. If it's not coming also, just click on the white color. In bottom you are given selection.
Selection I have given, not image.
Okay, selection. This one you are given none.
What, sir?
The selection preview. Selection preview you
No.
give none,
Yeah, it is none.
and click on this eyedropper symbol if it is not selected.
But I'm not getting the eyedropper, sir. I am getting some symbol which is like zoom. We get the zoom symbol, no?
Which
A
one you
circle with 4
selected?
lines.
Which one is selected in the select
Okay,
menu? Color
I've
range only
selected
is.
sample colors. I've selected
No, no.
sample colors.
Wait. In the select menu, color range you clicked.
Yes, sir.
Like this it came. Sample color.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then eyedropper symbol you are not getting.
No, sir. Eyedropper
Uh,
symbol.
which version you are using?
Which version? The one which is downloaded by them.
Okay. Then you come.
Institute version only, sir.
Hmm?
Institute version only.
Okay. If it is not displaying, come on Thursday.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And just click on the white color and give OK. And press delete key. Nothing you have to do, delete key. And after that, Control D, deselect. So this much you do, then go for file and give save as and go for PNG. Last class we seen no PNG concept. Same thing, and give name for this. I'll give JCI PNG and give save. That's it. And give OK. And if you go to desktop, so the JCI strip will be saved. After that, open CorelDRAW. Take new documents. So who is speaking there? Please put off your mic. And go for new documents. So the banner design you take, the size you remember 6 feet into 3 feet, width is 6 feet and height is 3 feet, and make sure that you are selected feet only. And this one you don't do anything and give OK. Then I'll draw one rectangular shape.
So we only have to see this. We cannot use CorelDRAW with the internet, na sir.
Yeah, you should not use, but I can use. So select that banner color, because this concept already you know, because importing concept you know, no image importing. So no need of practicing, you can practice afterwards also. Because I'm going to use import concept also, import concept only. So I'll choose some color which is there in the banner, and I'll remove the outline of this. So that's it. And now that is strip only I'm going to make a rectangular box like this and fill with white color. Remove the outline for this. Take this, press Ctrl Q after taking shape tool and double click on this. This circle already you know, and double click to add point and move it inside. So this is my center point. Yeah, it is perfect. So the strip is created. Now go to desktop and bring that image, that JCI image, PNG image we created, no? Just and drag and drop it to CorelDRAW and increase the size and place it exactly. See, now we can place this image wherever you like because this is PNG. But if you take this image, which is downloaded from WhatsApp, that one you can't place it. See, from WhatsApp, and I'll maximize. See, this one has that white strip. You can't place this anywhere because this has white strip, but this one is PNG. Wherever you like, there you can place it. And place it exactly in the center. So that's it. So the JCI strip is imported. So anyone has question in this? After saving PNG and importing to here?
All clear, sir.
All clear, no? Because this concept already you know, and PNG concept also you know already. Suppose if you want to make any banner design, also same concept only. Take any new document. I'll make it A4 size only and give OK. Suppose if you're creating, see that day we have created one PNG image, you know, same thing. Just drag and drop. See, the background is transparent. I'll create one box here. I'll fill with some color and take this, place it here. So it is in the beginning, right click, order, send to back one. Now plus Control T. Sorry, here Control T is useless. Here Control T is for a text. Just select the object and move it wherever you like. Suppose if you want to crop also, you can crop it. For example, like this, if you don't want, you can do that also. Anyway, it is PNG, no? And this image, wherever you want to keep it. That's it. And after that, see that JCI strip, you can bring it here also. I'll select this JCI strip, Control C and paste it here, Control V. So it is there, but it is too big because that was designed for banners. Who is running the machine?
Ruchita, sir.
I'm not running any machine.
Then what is that sound?
I don't know, sir.
ICU ventilator, I guess.
Better everyone mute their mic.
If you want speak only, we enable, otherwise mute it. See, that strip wherever you want, you can place it. So for removing background, Photoshop is compulsory. Otherwise, you can't do anything.
Sir,
Yes.
internet had got disconnected. The strip when you have placed in that strip creation,
Hmm.
that sides, okay, you have created that shape. But
Hmm.
whenever we place that strip, we get one outside box of that strip also.
Which strip?
That GCI Bangalore City, Ghana City you have prepared now.
This one?
After the edge is fine. The PNG what you have dragged over here,
Ah.
will that have that outside box also?
No, no, no.
Sometimes last time when I did, I was getting one outside box.
It won't be there.
Okay.
It won't be there. So place this exactly to the center. Yeah. So then you can add any text, whatever text you want and wherever you want. And you can create any design like this only. This is common for banner also, brochure, business card, anything. When you want to use
Sir,
images.
one small help, sir. The creativity ke Barsha, that banner you have, na sir.
Yes.
In that that shape was created for that creativity Barsha. That the heading is there now. One spiral kind of shape was there.
Which one?
If you have that banner, if you can see
Wait.
the creativity ke Barsha banners.
I'll check it.
Sir, the group picture is also the same, only what Naresh Bhai is asking.
Not
Not
this one,
this.
sir.
The group image, if you can see. नरेश भैया
Wait.
ग्रुप का जो इमेज है ना प्रोफाइल पिक्चर मतलब ये ग्रुप डिस्प्ले पिक is the same what you're asking for.
ये कट में कुछ और है.
That Basha shape you're asking?
That creativity is
sir.
written, na? That
There is a
creativity that is
curve,
written.
sir.
There's a curve in the red color, sir. The shape basically in which it is written.
Yeah, that
Sir, I
curve.
tried doing it using
That-
brush paint to brush, sir.
Okay.
I tried it using brush. I don't know what to use. I tried it using brush.
I shared in the group sir copy group if you can check.
Internet issues.
नरेश भैया मैंने कॉपी ग्रुप में भेजा है चेक कर लो.
Copy group. Okay, this one you're telling?
This
Yes,
this
sir.
how to create this, sir?
Using pen tool you can create.
Pen tool, that double line, how do we get, sir?
So that's why I asked everyone to come for doubt class. No one came. See, and hold alt click. And again bend it.
So that
Yes.
is not the doubt, sir. The doubt is the red curve portion, sir.
The corners.
The corner
yeah.
circular is there, na?
This one.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That one I'm doing. Wait. Like this only, no? Then adjust with shape tool. How is it looking? Yes. Then increase the stroke size. So much. Now who has doubt? Hello?
No, sir. Got it, sir. We need to practice this. That's it.
Sir, I have doubts, sir. In the same thing, if you see the banner image,
Hmm.
the corners are a little sharp edge,
Okay.
but here it is all the same.
Then you have to take artistic brush. So if you're
That
really
is what I took the brush and I've done.
see, and reduce the thickness. Got it. So we have different types of artistic brush. So which one you want, you can choose that.
Sir, after creating the shape, when we chose the artistic brush, that shape itself will take that tool properties.
Yes,
Okay.
automatically it'll choose. Got it?
Yes,
And ready,
sir.
and reduce the thickness as you like.
Okay, so
And this only you can do mirror and keep it on the other side. And what else?
where from how did
Sir,
well the scissor and all those
all that font, what is there now, Badsha and everything is created by a pen tool only, no font.
This
so I
Bacha.
couldn't
No,
No,
this is
sir,
this font is there, but you have to check with them. Those who created this
Sir,
logo.
to
Hello?
make that Badsha curve, I couldn't do it, so it was coming in straight line when I tried.
With Bacha.
Yes, sir.
See, ma, you have to make a curve first like this.
Okay.
Then take text tool and click
Okay.
on the path and
Okay.
type the letters.
Okay, sir.
So you are there, no? For this
Yes,
class.
sir. Yes,
Then-
sir. I use that.
Then how you
Sir, a creativity K, I got the inside the curve properly, but when it came to Badsha, I couldn't do it, sir.
Sir.
ah,
That Badsha thing was there now. You just keep it as it is now. Just get it back now.
okay.
Now, this thing, if I have to move across the line,
This one.
like, to get, to get it in center. No, not, I don't need to make it big. Just move it. How do I do?
Select from the center, the text only you select and move it.
Okay, straight away it will move.
So that means you people are not practicing properly.
Practice,
No,
so
we
got
practice.
doubt, sir. Yes, yesterday I tried with these two circles, sir. Two circles now. When I'm
Huh.
trying to click that line, the text is going on the lower side in the opposite direction.
If your doubt means you people has to come here, no, you should make a call.
Yesterday I was trying something. Today also I was trying that only. That's why I asked.
So okay, so I have to teach other concept because this and all old concept.
So
Okay,
one more
sir.
doubt in the same thing. I've sent in the group that real photo, that color blocks how to make, sir.
This one.
Yes, sir.
You
How
have
to make that reel and
that and all you have to think, ma, because after first you have to try. First you show whatever you tried, then you ask me. Without trying, if you ask, I won't teach.
Sir, I
have
tried. I
tried.
did not get.
You show me the
I
tried
have
work.
sent. I have tried and I've sent in the
I'll
group
send-
only.
But this is not for that that thing because I have to teach Photoshop. That one you ask some other time. Okay. And
Okay, sir.
that's why you should come, or else you should call and ask how to make. So okay, next thing I'll go to Photoshop. How to create GIF images. Okay.
Hello.
But before that, we'll see some filter effects. And suppose if you have some images like pencil effect, sketch effect, and all, if you want to give already ready-made thing only in phone only, we are doing no same concept here also.
Sanjay has become the host now.
Hello. Hello. Hello, guys. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir. We can hear now, sir.
Okay. So I just taken a new document. So the photo quality is very low. I'll download some other photo. I'll just do paste, Control T, and do maximize. So after this, go for filter menu. Liquify already we seen. In that you may see filter gallery. Click on that. And control minus you do zoom out. And we'll be seeing like this. Go for sketch effect. This and all like phone, mobile phone, how you are doing same thing. See, just you have to go to filter menu, filter gallery. And in that you do sketch. And in that create on, so first I'll do zoom out. Control minus. Select any effect you like. Graphic pin. So increase light and dark value. But this has more dark light values. Photography, darkness, nothing, detail. So little bit it coming. See some oil paint effect. Instead of this, I'll choose some other photo.
All these effects under what option, sir?
Filter menu in that filter gallery. Filter menu in that filter gallery. Zoom out. See sketch, graphic pen, and photography. So got it. So whichever effect we just apply. So we have some artistic effect. and some other sponge, watercolor, and you can decrease or increase and check how it looks good. But other than this, you'll be having oil paint. In the filter menu, directly you'll be seeing oil paint effect and give OK. See, if you zoom in, Control plus, and just adjust only the scale and sign effect, only keep it less. Other than that, you can adjust however you like, and don't give sign more, it won't look good. And scaling also will reduce. If you give more, it won't look good. So scaling also should be less, and clearness. So how much you want, you give based on that. And give OK. See. And if you zoom in and check, the paint effect field will come. And only if you select that object, it look even more good. You can give any background for that. So oil paint. So in the filter menu, just you have to click and apply. That's it. No need of doing any other work. Filter gallery and oil paint you can use, and liquify.
Sir,
Yes.
these kind of effects can be added just by making a selection on the same layer, or we need to create a duplicate layer for that?
On the same layer, but if you duplicate, that will be better, because if you want to, after editing on 5-10 layers, again if you want, if you don't want, means what you will do? If it is a different layer, means you can delete that particular layer. So you can save your time. Always suggestion is new layer only. Okay. Because suddenly your mind will get changed. That time what you will do?
Oil paint is under which option?
Filter menu. Whatever I thought,
Under
it's everything is there.
filter-
Oil
No,
paint.
under filter menu, we've got this artistic brush strokes, distort, sketch, stylish texture.
If it
right?
is CC version, it will be there in some other thing.
Acha, acha. Okay, okay.
You check with some other option, because in the CC version it is different. If it is
Okay, okay.
CS6 means directly it will
So
available.
this, I am getting a dialog box saying this feature requires graphic processor acceleration.
Yes.
Please check the performance preference and verify.
If we don't have graphics card, it won't work. Without graphics card, this option won't work.
Then how do we know that?
You are using desktop or laptop?
Laptop.
Laptop. Which laptop are you using?
HP.
HP. It has to be there, no? Because latest new laptop only, no? Or it is old one?
It is old, sir.
Old one. So that means you have to check. Graphics card is required.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So this much you got it. Because this and all no need of practicing. But now I'm going to teach one important concept. This one you have to practice. Okay.
What is that, sir?
Creating GIF image. How many of you know what is GIF image?
An image with some kind of a movement?
Yes, a kind of little animation, correct?
Like
Yes, sir.
boomerang.
So how to create that kind of image? Because that will be every day we'll be seeing in the WhatsApp. Good morning, good night, whatever it is. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So that image how to create by using Photoshop. So first thing, go to file menu. Got it? Create one new document as you like. But if you're creating for mobile phone purpose, means go to clipboard, mobile devices, choose the quality you want. So my suggestion is 720 into 1280.
So your voice is breaking.
Now, whatever I'm speaking now, you're getting.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Tell.
Maybe you check your network. Others have same problem.
Running fine, sir.
Okay.
Now it is fine, sir.
Okay. So go to 720 into 1280. First preset you select as mobile devices and 720 into 280. It's average quality, or if you want to go for high quality also you can go, but this one is better quality for mobile phone, and give okay. So like this it will come. And if you want to change the resolution ourselves, no, good, like 300, but 720 7 also no problem. After that, go to internet, download some images which you like for good morning message. I'll type as sunrise. Mostly that only will get, no? Images. I'll use this image only, copy image. And Control V. So move it. Press Control T. Control T. And make it bigger. And give enter. Okay. And take text tool. Just type enter for next line and good morning. And take move tool and make it Control T, make it bigger. But this morning I want in a new line means take text tool, only select that morning, Control X. Again you click and click to make new layer, Control V. And take move tool, press Control T and make it bigger as you like. So this much you got it. This already you know, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So next we need to add little bit of animation. Whose mic is that? Put. So first go to window. We'll be having option called timeline. If it is not there, go to window and enable timeline. So in the bottom, we'll be seeing one small box, timeline box. Okay. So in that, you create as select by clicking on this icon, drop down menu. Select create frame animation, not video timeline, create frame animation. And after that, click on frame animation. That's it. Don't do anything. And we'll be seeing some layers, whichever we created. And in the
Sir,
time,
can I repeat, sir? Create.
So how did you add to timeline?
go to window menu, enable timeline. Okay. And in that, we click on frame animation and create frame animation you have to give. That's it. Any questions in this?
Sir, under what did you do create animation?
Automatically, here only it will display. See, I'll delete this.
Okay.
See, like this will come. Then click on create frame animation. And it will create
Okay.
automatically. Okay.
Okay.
So the text layer is not there. One more. I'll enable it. Morning. And whatever color you want for the text, you can change. Already you know. And after this, in the timeline, if you see one new duplicate selected frame, we can see. Select this frame and give duplicate. Like this, one more it will create. Getting, just you have to click on this icon. Duplicate selected frame. So in this frame, what I'm going to do, this good morning is there, no? I'll select, I'll move it on this side. This morning I'll select, I'll move it on this side. So it won't be there in the frame. Okay. And this one,
in the
yeah.
frame or first frame, sir?
What?
In the second frame or the first frame?
The second frame again, or else you can do it in the first frame, no problem. I'll do Alt Control Z, select the first frame. So I'll move it on this direction, and first frame I'm doing. Then you play. Sorry. This play button you click and play it. But if you do in the first frame, both the frame it will get affected. That is the thing. So that's why I'm doing in the second frame. Select the second frame. And this good morning, I'll move it side by side. Then afterwards, I'll move this frame only this side. I got it. Now you play and check. So it is coming now, disappearing and coming. Got it? So in the first frame, it is not there. The second frame, it is there. So, but it disappearing very quick. You'll be seeing seconds here, 0 second, 0 second. That one I'll make it to 2 seconds. This also will make it to 2 seconds. Now you play and check. So a little bit slow. Actually, it is 0.2 seconds. So I want to give feel like smooth effect. I'll give this one. If you see one twin animation frame, will you able to see that twin animation frame in the bottom? Select
Yes,
the select the second frame and click on this twin animation frame and give frames to add. Give 10. Now you play it. Click on this play button. So slowly that good morning message is coming. Getting it? Have any problem in this? And go for file.
So can you explain the last part again? How did you multiply this frames?
Select second frame you select, not first frame. Second frame you select it. Go for twins animation frames. In the you just click one click you do, it'll ask frame to add. I'll give 10. Don't do other things. Just a 10 you give and give. That's it. See, it's created 10 frames.
Understood, sir.
Okay. Now you play this. So slowly it will come. So you have to save this in GIF image format. Go to file, give, not save as, you have to go for save for web. Save for web you have to give, because there only GIF option will be there. Like this one window will come. Click on GIF and don't do anything. But we can give looping option just once or forever. Once it get end also, it can keep on play and give save. And where you want, I'll give desktop. I'll choose some name for this. So you can give this for anything, for a good evening, good afternoon, birthday wishes, for anything.
Sir, we have gone as save as and then what, sir?
Not save as, not save as, save for web. Will be an option called save for web. That one you have to do. Then play that. Say good morning. Right click on that and give open with photos. So got it?
Save for web.
Yes, save for web only you have to give.
I am using CC versions. I'm getting under export, save for web legacy.
Not legacy. Oh, in save for web you are getting legacy.
Yeah.
And whatever option you are getting?
That same what you got, GIF and that.
Yeah, you click on GIF.
Under GIF, it will be selective diffusion.
See, after that, save for web.
Where was the this thing's a loop option?
In the bottom, you'll be having loop option. Animation looping option. Once if you give means one time it will play and it will get stopped. But looping means it will continue. So any questions in GIF image? And if you're more creative, you can do a lot of things in this. Example like sun rising. And if you want to create some birthday card also you can create. Same thing I'll take. I'll take some baby image. We want to create a birthday baby. I'll do Control V, Control T, maximize. So I'll give create frame animation and create. That's it. So first only whatever you want, you just create it. So example, I'll create one odd shape here. I'll create one empty layer. We think we have basic shapes. In that custom shape, go for art and just drag. I'll fill with red color. And this one I'll duplicate, Control J. And the duplicate one I'll keep it here. Control T, maximize. I'll give you enter. This one also I'll move it somewhere here. Actually, this one is not required. So just one you keep it, and the second layer, just you duplicate. Got it? And this art shape, you move it somewhere here and give frame animation. Give twin. Okay. And now you play this.
Sir, I didn't understand. Can you repeat?
See, after making art shape, till you making art shape, you got it.
Sir, no, sir. I didn't get that from layer duplicating option, sir. First option I understood one layer, one video one. But second layer I didn't understand duplicate one.
See, this much you got it.
Yes, sir.
Then click on this. Duplicate selected frame. Got it? Hello?
Yes, sir. I
Yes, sir.
understood.
Then in the second frame, because this will create one duplicate. So in the second frame, I'll just move the art symbol there. And if you want, you can make it little bigger also. And give enter. And now I'm going to make twin. And that's it. Now you play and check that. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So that is understood. It is going from this place to that place within these many frames. Now, if I have to give 2-3 hearts, like flowing hearts.
Yeah, you can create a lot of works by using this.
Many, but so do I do that frame also duplication first and then twin all together? How is it? Like just this one heart created. Now, if I have to have 2 hearts flowing from 2 sides.
So you have to create 2 arts. 5 arts
In the
means
first
5.
image.
Yeah, in the first
In the
image
first
only.
image itself.
In the first image only you create.
Okay.
So I'll delete this. So in the first image only, I'll do duplicate. Control T, I'll reduce. Enter. Then you create duplicate frame and just in the second frame you select and move this wherever you want and move this wherever you want and move this. Then give create layers. I'll give now 30. Now just to play. Got it?
Got it.
Like that you can create text whatever you want.
Like one in one image only one animation effects. I want to add another animation to the same thing.
In this only you want to add a lot of things.
Yeah.
Again you have to create different layers because we have choice to create a number of animations. So I created one more empty layer.
Now just imagine, for example, I'm telling halfway when the hearts are moving up, the child is closing eye and opening.
So that and all you have to do it. You have to do.
Yeah, but we should add in mid frame somewhere.
Yes, you have to add frames. You should
In
understand.
between,
yeah, you should
in
understand
this somewhere.
Yes. Wherever you want that, there you add frame and do the change, it will happen.
Okay.
So this much we can try. And any question in this GIF image? Hello?
No, sir.
Mm.
Need to try.
I think this is enough. Chetal ma'am is there? Hello?
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
Sir, one more doubt. That black and white color when we are doing now, the kind of skin tone will depend on the image, or can we get any kind of skin tone that we want?
And if anyone has doubt, you can ask now only. Do practice and ask.
Sir,
Hmm.
that one doubt in the coloring option for the image, black and white to color,
Yes.
will the skin tone depend on what the actual image was, or can we create our own, tone for that skin?
For example, this baby is there.
Now, this is colorful, sir, black and white.
You want to? No, this one I will convert to black and white.
No, black and white to color, what we were doing now.
See,
When
now.
we go to this color balance,
Hmm.
so sometimes, only thing what we get is that red, blue, red, green, blue color shades.
Yes.
So we are not able to get the exact skin tone. The other day when I did that, you told na the skin tone is a bit reddish.
We can make it. See, I'll do it. You should know the color mixing concept little bit. See, example, roughly I'm selecting this. Okay. After this, go for adjustment, color balance. Little bit of red you give, and little bit of yellow you give, and little bit of magenta also you give. Getting?
Got it, sir.
So you should not give only the red color. You should mix with yellow color also and magenta also. If you want a skin tone.
नीचे बोलो तो उधर कुछ नहीं है नीचे है नहीं
So got it?
Yes, sir.
If you do for dress other parts, it will look good. Otherwise, you won't get that original feel. And who else has doubt? And this GIF image you try now only, and you can ask the doubt now itself, because we have time now. Hello.
Sir, I've sent one image to the group. Just see now if that is fine. Black and white.
Yeah, it's good.
The skin tone, the way it was coming in that image, that is why I asked you, that the skin it depends on the
Bec-
kind of image also.
Yeah, it is kind of image also, because already the person, this is dark, that means African, correct? No,
Yes, sir.
so you should give black tone only, you can't give other tones. If you give also,
Fine, sir.
it won't get matched. So no doubts.
Sir, logo creation we have learned in Corel Draw. In Photoshop also possible, na sir?
Yeah, same here also pen tool is there, no? So in Corel Draw, someone has doubt, no? Who is that? RV. Who is RV? In the WhatsApp group?
Sir, Richie is our
Richie. Please mute your mics, those who are joining this group.
Everyone, good evening.
Good evening, IPP sir.
How are you?
Super fine. क्या सर आज फोटो मंगवाया उसको थोड़ा फोटोशॉप करके भेजना कि नहीं?
हमारे लाइव ही इतने अच्छे हैं, फोटोशॉप करके भेजेंगे तो हो गया.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hello. What is this meeting regarding?
Regarding, please switch on your video.
कोई नहीं करेगा. नाइस बैकग्राउंड ना.
नहीं, बीच में बैठे देखो आज.
हाँ वही वाओ.
मिनिमाइज कर दो ना. स्क्रीन शेयरिंग मिनिमाइज कर दो. शीतल, आर यू द होस्ट?
Host is Mr. Anand Reddy.
Ravi sir, can you make Abdi as the host, please? Co-host. Ravi sir.
Who is that? Abhi.
Abdi.
Avdi Chauhan.
Yes.
Can we also have the screen share being stopped so that we can see the screen?
You can see everyone in one screen. Cool.
Avdi, you're the host now.
Okay, yeah.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Mr.
Hello.
Hello, President sir.
Jai Jinendra all.
Jai Jinendra.
Jai Jinendra.
Jai Jinendra.
जैन जिनेन्द्र
हाँ ठीक है
जतिन जतिन सिर्फ बड़ा कर दे प्लीज, मेरे को नहीं आ रहा है।
ममता
कौन नहीं आ रहा है?
म्यूट करके बोल ममता
नहीं आ रहा है.
Avdi, if you can make me a co-host to manage the meet, please.
Me also.
We need to stop this little bit background and other things.
Yeah, just
Hello everyone. If everyone can put the respective message in the respective groups that to join everyone.
okay okay Sheetal
Sheetal, we need to stop this screen share.
We have an announcement coming in, so we'll be needing the screen share.
As of now, because we are unable to stop the screen, right?
Avdi, you can just stop the sharing for a while. Avdi,
Yeah.
you can just stop.
It has to be stopped from NICP.
Ravi sir. Ravi sir.
good evening.
हाँ बेटा ऋषभ.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Good evening. Oh,
Hi.
Sarkar.
Happy evening. Happy evening.
change your background. Rishabh, change your background.
ऋषभ भाई ग्रुप में मैसेज डालो ना सबको आने के लिए.
President sir, we can start.
At 2 minutes.
Hello. President sir, IPP sir, can we start?
Let's start.
I, in the capacity of today's meet, reconvey this meet. I would call JSP Avdi for the pleasant task.
Hi to all the people sitting on the other side of the screen and few people sitting on the beaches. Good evening. कैसा लग रहा है आप सबको? पूरा आपका 8 days 1 month का पूरा कोर्स कंप्लीट हो गया है.
We enjoyed and learned
We
many
learned a lot.
We learned a lot.
Lot of creativity to learn.
Super.
Okay, so first of all this was possible only because of our faculty. So can we have Ravi sir and Sushmita ma'am online? Thank you sir and thank you ma'am for giving so much time in making this entire event.
मेरे गाड़ी में मेरा जैकेट है ना?
Unmute.
Avdi, I request you to kindly unmute everyone. Mute everyone.
नहीं मुझे बोला मैं
Okay, so now अभी आपने ये कोर्स कंप्लीट कर दिया है. You have learned the skills of Photoshop, Corel Draw, video making, Filmora. Now what next? बस ये आपने कर लिए सारे कोर्सेज, आपने सीख ली स्किल्स, ये पूरा कोर्स कंप्लीट हो गया? नहीं, अगर आपको सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए तो we have something for you. आप सबको सर्टिफिकेशन के लिए एक प्रॉपर असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट करना होगा जिसमें स्टार्ट से लेके एंड तक आपने जो भी सीखा है everything will be clubbed together. So I'll be sharing my screen and giving you the details of the assignment. Is my screen shared?
Yes.
Okay, so हमने skills सीखी, हमने tools सीखा, we learned how to use the software. But this event was all about creativity, right? So अब आती है creativity into the picture. You know the skills, you know the tools. Now you have to apply your creativity and showcase your talent, showcase your skills. कौन बनेगा बादशाह? Creativity का बादशाह. So here, this is a small contest come your assignment. This contest is only for the participants of Creativity के बादशाह. Only on the completion of this assignment. ये contest तो है, but this is also an assignment. So only if you complete this assignment, you will be getting the certificate of completing the entire course of video making or Photoshop. The top 2 creative assignments will be awarded as the Badshaah of Creativity. So now you have to complete the assignments and also you have to do it in such a way कि judges जो हो उनको बहुत पसंद आ जाए आपकी creativity, आपने जो भी दिखाया है उसमें. So now, what is the assignment? This one, which is in front of your screen, is for all the participants of Corel Draw and Photoshop. All you have to do is imagine and make a company. You always would have dreamed of a company of yours, which you own. आप जो existing company है उसके related भी कर सकते हैं या ऐसी कोई चीज, ऐसा कोई business जो आप हमेशा करना चाहते थे. So this is your chance to make it virtually real. इसमें फर्स्ट आपको एक कंपनी सोचनी है, एक प्रोडक्ट सोचना है जो उसके साथ डील करेंगे. कोई भी इंडस्ट्री, एनी इंडस्ट्री इज फाइन. The assignment is that first you have to make a logo of your company. Second, you need to make a business card. Then you need to make posters marketing your product. So समझो आपने कुर्तीज ली है. So you can use the background changing tool to change the background, put a model. You can use the black and white and color tool. आप कोई ड्रेस पहना के उसका कलर चेंज कर सकते हो. Spot healing tool and all the tools that you have learned in Photoshop and Corel Draw. Basically, ये topics तो है, but what is most important is how you use these tools to display your creativity. So make sure जितने भी tools आपने use किए हैं, सारे आप इसमें display कर लो. Then you need to make a brochure. For example, if you've taken the spectacle industry, मतलब चश्मे है, तो आप अलग अलग टाइप के चश्मे, सनग्लासेस, डिजाइन, उनका एक प्रॉपर ब्रोशर बना के आपको सबमिट करना है. नेक्स्ट इज अ बैनर फॉर एनी सेल, बैनर फॉर डिस्काउंट्स, और इफ यू आर लॉन्चिंग अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट, यू कैन मेक अ बैनर फॉर दैट. So this is the assignment for everyone who has done the course of Corel Draw and Photoshop. Now coming to video making. For all those who have done Photoshop and Filmora together, that is video making, this is your assignment. The starting part of the business, company and product still remains the same. Your assignment would be, first, you need to design a logo for your company. Second, you need to make posters using Photoshop, the same like it was for the other group. Third, you need to make a GIF using Photoshop. अगर आपने देखा होगा last class of Photoshop was GIFs. So you can make one or two GIFs regarding your product or anything that you want to convey to your customers. Third is the product launch video. So you are launching a product. You can take videos from YouTube and then उसमें edit कर सकते हो, or you can use the posters that you have created. But most importantly, इस video में you have to display all the tools that you have learned in Filmora, from beginning to end, to adding text, effects, transition, green screen. जो भी आपने सीखा है creatively आपको इस एक वीडियो में डालना होगा. तो बेसिकली ये असाइनमेंट सारे आपकी गुरु दक्षिणा है. आपने जो भी बनाया है एक कंपनी बनाकर आप अपने टीचर्स को दे रहे हो. एनी डाउट्स असाइनमेंट में फोटोशॉप या वीडियो मेकिंग, कोई भी डाउट?
फोटोशॉप का जो असाइनमेंट दिया है,
वन बाय वन प्लीज.
Hello.
Hello.
How will you use eye tool in this? Red eye tool? Avdi. Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you, Raj. Jisi Raj.
Yeah, that Avdi, I wanted to know how we can use red eye tool in this. See, if you have some image of red eye, then only we can use. I mean, I don't think we can use red eye tool in this. Rushabh?
Raj Bhaiya?
Yeah.
राज भैया, रिगार्डिंग द रेड आई टूल, जैसे आप एग्जांपल ब्रोशर बना रहे हो, तो वो मॉडल जो मॉडल ले सकते हो, तो उस मॉडल में आप उसका रेड आई के यू कैन यूज दैट टूल देयर एग्जांपल.
अच्छा, मतलब रेड आई वाली कोई लेडी लेके उसको एडिट करूं, रेड आई वाली लेडी आई एडिट करके.
बेसिकली यू हैव टू यूज द टूल देयर.
अब अपने असाइनमेंट्स के साथ में बिफोर आफ्टर पिक्चर्स चाहिए तो वो भी एक है ना अलग से पीडीएफ में डाल के भेज सकते हो, सो दैट आर नो कि आपने क्या चेंजेस किए.
Okay.
What is the last date to submit this assignment?
I'll come to that. But again, assignments के topic या इसके related कोई doubt है तो आप
privilege. So the assignments given for the Photoshop and Corel Draw, it's regarding the company logo and other things. So it can be either of the tools, right? The card and logo can be done in the Corel Draw, and Photoshop doing other parts of it.
Yeah, you have complete flexibility in using whichever software you want, but it should be either Corel Draw or Photoshop. आप phone से use नहीं कर सकते. Any other doubts?
Which again, so the assignments have to be shared in what format? Should it be in
Yeah,
the
I'll be
JPEG
coming.
formats, or will it be in the CorelDRAW format or the Photoshop format?
I'll be coming to that.
Any other doubts regarding the assignment? About all that info, due date, last date, format, Avdi will be announcing. Regarding the announcements, any doubts or anything, if anyone
Yes,
has,
sir.
can raise their hands.
मुझे रेज करना है तो बनेगा.
I suggest we may have doubts again on the same part post hearing to the other part. So we can finish up with all the announcements and then take the doubts.
Sure. Avdi, you can go further.
Okay. Okay, so now after completing the assignment, you have to complete all the CDR files. जो CorelDRAW की CDR files होती, you have to complete all. You have to convert all the files to JPEG. Kindly mute.
Unable to hear, ma'am.
Others kindly mute.
सुनती नहीं है जैसे हमें सबको सुना रहा है पागल. आवाज बंद होगी रुको.
Okay, so now if you're using CorelDRAW, आपने देखा एंड में extension .cdr होता है, तो आपको वो सारी images को JPG फॉर्मेट में कन्वर्ट करना है. JPG या JPEG फॉर्मेट में. आपने क्लासेस में कन्वर्शन भी देखा होगा, तो फोटोशॉप फाइल्स हो या कोई भी images हो, everything should be in JPEG or JPG format, and the videos should be in MP4 format. आप फिल्मोरा के जो वीडियोस होंगे उसको आपको एक्सपोर्ट करके इसी फॉर्मेट में यूज करना है. You have to send all the pictures and the videos through mail to the email ID. This PDF will be sent to your group, तो आप उधर से email ID copy कर सकते हो. Make sure आप जब मेल कर रहे हो तो सब्जेक्ट का जो कॉलम होता है ना, वहां पर अपने ग्रुप का नाम एंड स्पेस योर नेम आप वैसे डालना, जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल कट कॉपी पेस्ट रोल साउंड एक्शन. सो दिस इज योर ग्रुप नेम, देन योर नेम लाइक अवधि चौहान वैसे. नेक्स्ट, आपको ये सारे इमेजेस या वीडियोस जो भी आपने बनाए हैं, ये अपने फेसबुक पेज पे अपलोड करने हैं. आपने 1 month का टाइम दिया है. यू हैव लर्नड अ न्यू स्किल, सो नाउ दिस इज द चांस टू डिस्प्ले इट एंड शो इट टू अदर्स कि आपके पास ये नई चीज है. So you have to tag JCI Bangalore Garden City whenever you're uploading the picture, and use the hashtags #JCI Bangalore Garden City, Creativity के बादशाह and We Are Badshahs. तो ये आप जब this is because आप है ना अपनी न्यूली लर्न जो स्किल है इसको आप इजीली लोगों को बता सकते हो, आपकी क्रिएटिविटी को डिस्प्ले कर सकते हो, एक न्यू प्लेटफॉर्म बना सकते हो अपने लिए. JCI strip and the creativity के बादशाह logo, it should be present on all images or videos. तो आपका जो भी फाइनल इमेज फाइनल वीडियो है उसके अंदर JCI के strip और क्रिएटिविटी के बादशाह का लोगो होना चाहिए. ये सारी चीजें हम आपको आपके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स पे सेंड करेंगे इसकी PNG फॉर्मेट में, so you can use that directly. The last date to submit the assignments is 25th of May. That is a Sunday before 12 p.m. So after
Of the correction, it's 25th of April.
Oh, sorry, it's 25th of April, Sunday before 12 p.m. in the afternoon. So you can send it. You have to send it to the mail ID. आप पहले ही convert कर देना images को, because extraction में बहुत ज़्यादा time लगता है. So this was all regarding this was what had to be announced. If any doubts regarding the assignment or the format or anything, you can ask now. Please raise your hand. iPhone जिनका भी username है, if you have a doubt.
Ma'am.
Hi Avdhi, this is Mamta Bamboli here. मुझे assignment समझ में आया. I've just joined the meeting, so I didn't understand the assignment at all.
Okay, ये मैं आपको PDF format group में भी send करेंगे इसका पूरा PDF, so you can go through it. Basically, you have to make a company, and you need to have a product for the company and the product. You have to make a logo, business card. You need to make brochure. आप video making में होगे, picture Photoshop में?
Video making, Filmora.
Okay, so you need to make posters using Photoshop and then make a final video. These details will again be put up on the group.
Is it a group activity?
It's an individual activity. You are given 2 weeks time, so you have enough time to complete all this. You can use your creativity, try something new, experiment, because you know the tools. Now it's your turn to experiment and learn something new during the process of the assignment.
Okay.
Ma'am, one doubt. Ma'am, on this pamphlet you have written 25th of May. You have to submit. It's written 25th May.
It's March.
It's 5, it's written 25th 5, 2021.
Hello everyone. The PDFs and all will be shared on the group with the correct date. The last date is 25th April. Before 12 o'clock, the assignment should reach the mail ID. If it's 12:01 also, we will not take any of the assignments. Kindly note 25th April before 12 p.m.
Sheetal,
Yes.
in that Filmora, so whatever logos, brochures, or whatever we are going to make, that should be added to the Filmora with some more creativity, or the whatever we are making in that same manner only we have to continue with the Filmora. Like
Bhabhi,
logo,
first you need.
brochure,
See, we'll share all the things. If you can do one thing, just share the PDF in all the groups right away, no? So all the doubts will be cleared.
For
Ekta
Filmora,
Bhabhi, sorry.
no, I was continue.
No, yeah, we just share it on the groups, no? On the cut, copy, paste, and roll sound action. Ekta Bhabhi, you have any doubts?
No, Sheetal, that is exactly what I wanted to say. If all the details could be mailed across or probably WhatsApped across to all
Yeah,
of
it
us,
is ready. It is ready
easy
with us.
for
We'll
us.
be sending across all the groups.
Fair enough. Thank you.
Yeah. iPhone, who is iPhone? So if there is any doubts after this also, you can reach out to the project team. After the closing ceremony, we'll be there to help you out regarding the assignments. Any other doubts apart from this?
Sheetal, Sanjay here.
Yes, Bhaiya.
And this next 10 days, if my software there's an issue, maybe it's CorelDRAW or Photoshop, anything, will there be support from NICT to get reinstalled the same software?
Yeah, there would be support from the NICT regarding the software. Just reach out to any of the project team. They will arrange it which time you have to go there.
Okay, thank you.
Any other questions?
Any other doubts?
So I guess no more doubts. Thank you, Avdi.
Sheetal, if at all we have any doubts regarding the CorelDRAW or Photoshop, so can we go and check with sir and clear the doubts?
Yes, definitely. Ravi sir and all would be sharing the dates when are they available on the groups. So by that time you can go and clear the doubts. It's a request from everyone. Since if everyone can go in 2 or 3 in a batch, 2 or 3 people go together, it will be good, because even they have their own classes going on. So across anyone, it's not necessary it should be from your group. you know anyone from other groups also who has doubts, you guys can go together and just reach out to us. We will help you with the timings and all.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Any other doubts?
Ekta auntie has raised her hand. Ekta auntie.
Ekta Bhabhi?
Hi, sorry, I missed that.
Yeah, no problem. So I guess no more doubts. So if there's any other doubts, you can reach out to the faculty, you can reach out to the project team. We will be there to help you out regarding the assignments. So let's move on. Yeah. So let's move on. Let's hear it from our faculties. Ravi sir, are you there? How we would like to know your experience of this whole month with the JCI and the participants of JCI, sir.
Hello. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir, we can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
I thought it was very difficult to teach for you because very short period. Correct, no? But
yes,
only starting I felt it is difficult. But in the end of the class, everyone is I like they are very fast in learning. If they do more practice, they can do even more better. So only they have to do practice, and really some people are very good at in designing, so they can keep on going designing. And those who are not able to do also, if they do really, they can do lot of things. So I'll be there for you to help always, and I'll be posting in the group when I'm free. You can come at that time and you can ask the doubt and you can go back. And in phone also you can ask whatever doubt you have. Okay. And I really had a good experience with this batch, and very nice people also, everyone.
thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ravi sir. Host, I would request to mute everyone. Now let's hand over to the floor to our president, sir.
Hello, everyone. Hello.
Hello,
Hello,
sir.
Rishabh.
I hope you all had a good time learning CorelDRAW, Photoshop, video editing. So everyone is up to their assignments now. So we are also looking forward to see the good outcomes from each and everyone. With this, I'd like to introduce you to our project director, Avdi. She is JC Avdi. She is energetic and working closely with NICT, where she was planning with them like what kind of topics we can cover for all of you, and what kind of topics can be put in that. And she was there always for you guys, saying that how we can make these sessions better. So I'd like to introduce our project director, JC Avdi Chavan. I also and also there is a person with bundle of knowledge and always ready to work with. Whenever we assign a work to him, he always says like, okay, ho jayega, ye cheez ho jayega. So all the refreshment, everything which is there for you every day, arranging with whatever the budget we had given to him, he has arranged the best out of it. And we like to introduce our project director, second project director, JC Nikhil. Nikhil, you there?
Even today is arranging snacks, I guess.
Okay. So the person with all the responsibilities, working towards getting results, preparing all the messages and communicating with all the participants is none other than our project coordinator JC Chetan Powal.
Thank you so much, sir. Good evening, everyone.
So the mastermind behind this to tell that like yes, we have to give as an individual development to each of our members, not stopping for less, and telling that giving a 1 month program for all the Photoshop and video editing so that they can learn better rather than giving it for 1 or 2 days. We have made sure she has made sure that everyone will get a good outcome where they can build their own assignments and the current assignments which she has which the entire team has planned. Once we can see the assignments, we can say that what we had achieved, because currently we can see there are a lot of people who has not been even knowing how you can operate the system, how you can maybe had not seen the Photoshop once also, but now today you are aware of some of the tools where you can change a lot of things. We had seen a lot of messages in the WhatsApp, like you had changed from black and white color to black and white, changed the backgrounds, everything, and also the videos, small videos. So with this, I think all the planning which has been done by our Vice President JC Sheetal Bandari. So this is the complete team who has been worked day and night for this complete event to happen for a full month. It is not a small event. Actually, it ran for a complete month's time. So congratulations to the complete team of Creativity K Basha. Yeah. So yeah, for today's chairperson JC Sheetal Bandari, you can take it forward.
Thank you, President sir. Now we would like to hear from all the participants about the whole event. How did you guys like the event? So just raise the hand and the host will give you the floor.
JC right, Kamna Bohra.
Hello. Yes, Kamna Bhabhi. Yes, tell me.
Hello.
Yes, Kamna Bhabhi.
एक्चुअली बाय मिस्टेक हो गया है, नो डाउट।
पर आप अपना फीडबैक दे सकते हो, आपको कैसा लगा इवेंट या आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा?
एक्चुअली बहुत कुछ सीखा है, बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है।
थैंक यू JC Sanjay Kumar
for doing such a great thing.
Hello.
Hello.
This training program has been excellent. Actually, since it was planned in a 1 month, so we could learn many things instead of having a 1 day training program. I think this was really a very well planned one where we could go deeper into the subject where we are interested in. And it was more like a college days, or you can say school days, learning and at the same time having fun. So, bahut maza aaya. 1 month was amazing. I wish the last couple of classes could have been offline because of COVID, we couldn't do that. But it was really amazing, enjoying every day. We enjoyed snacks, we enjoyed all the things that happened in the class and online too. So thank you, the whole project team for being very humble, and even thank you the trainers, the teacher. He has been really patient and was ready to clear every doubt, anytime, any moment. So thank you all, amazing event.
Thank you, Sanjay uncle. Can we have JC Raj Lunkar?
First of all, congratulations to project team, Avdi Chauhan and Sheetal Bandari, and of course to the president, President sir. This was a really innovative program which you have been organized. Photoshop and video making is really, I think this was in the last 5 years I have seen this is really an innovative program which has been organized. And of course the learning part was really there in this. Each of us, we have made a new, it's a new bonding between our team. The 10 people what we are, 10 to 12 people in this group we have really made a good bonding. And our ma'am, Shushmita ma'am, she has really dared us. I think this was one of the naughtiest groups. She has really dared us, and thank you to her also. And snacks, whatever snacks Sheetal has provided us, thanks for that also. Thank you.
JC Ekta Bhandari. JC Ekta Bhandari.
एकता कपूर का शो स्टार्ट हो गया आई गेस.
So thank
we
you for
have-
all the hello.
We have two more hands raised. JFM Naresh Kadia.
Thank you, Chair. First of all, kudos to the team. Wonderful event. Happens, that what ends well is the best. And of course, we have ended on a very superb note. We can see many people who have now come out of that jinx. We don't know this. कैसे होता है? सवाल था. आज पता है कैसे होता है. So all thanks to the team. Lots of creativity coming up. And as a VP myself, I expect a lot of participants to now contribute to our, chapter's growth also, with lots of input coming in. And that is maybe, I'm expecting a lot from this batch. And kudos to everyone. The one thing that we have always clearly seen, time and again, as we came close to the ending of the classes, more productivity is coming. The last 2 weeks now, what we have got. So this is a challenging time. I really, appreciate the team to take that pain. And 1 month we have done the class. I know another 15 days after the assignments are done, 3 more, 4 more days, you are going to work for all these assignments to be mapped and regulated and seen. So kudos to you. You have given all the lot of time. We have worked on screen, in front of the screen, and you people have really worked hard behind the whole scene to make it happen. And I think this is really appreciative. And I really think that all of you can actually raise a hand for them. It's really appreciable on their part. They have given a lot more time than what we have done to actually do this event. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We have our IPP sir, HGF Rishabh Panani.
Thank you, JC Avdi. Thank you, Chairman. Very good evening to one and all. Good evening, President, sir, and the entire team, as well as all the participants and trainers, Ravi sir and Shushmita, as well as the NICT, the entire house here. A very good evening. Firstly, thank you so much to JCI Bangalore Garden City for giving us this opportunity, for being as a participant and learning the art of Photoshop as well as the video making Filmora. I'm sure I'll be practicing more and more, and very soon we also will be start making videos for JCI Bangalore Garden City. Looking forward for it. Great time. Congratulations to the entire team, JC Avdi, JC Nikhil, JC Chetan Borwal, and JC Sheetal Bhandari for giving us. It's been just very quick and just time flies as you tell, but 1 month का जो हार्ड वर्क है, एक दिन का जो इवेंट होता है कितना टाइम लगता है एक प्लान करने के लिए, but they have made sure everything is rightly planned. They have made sure they are in the class giving us the snacks, and thank you so much to NICT, the organization who is doing a brilliant job helping us teach. Definitely it is very short time, but only one thing what I want to tell everyone here is practice till you become perfect. So that is the only mantra in this Photoshop and the Corel Draw as well as the video making. So unless you practice, you'll not be the get the best out of it. So all the very best, and thank you so much once again, President and JCI Bangalore Garden City. It was an amazing program. Really hats off. Thank you. Special thanks to my guru, Shushmita ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone. So, can I have our IPP remarks given by our HGF Rishabh Panani?
Thank you, Chairman. chairman once again. Very good evening to one and all. It's been a fantastic entire creativity ka Badsha. It has been a great journey. As I told, my remarks has already been completed, but still, just to add on, special recognition to entire project team, and looking forward for more and more the assignment which is being given to everyone. Take it a little seriously and let's complete it on a high note, so the outcome of the entire event and the objective is been met. We are looking forward for the entire showcase of all the talents, the entire
Hello.
It's been disconnected, I feel.
Yeah, it got disconnected.
Okay, so we'll take forward. Thank you, IPP sir. So there is one more announcement. The grand finale of Creativity Ke Badsha. I repeat, the grand finale of Creativity Ke Badsha. It's on 28th of April. So make sure everybody are there, and before that your assignments are there. So yeah, IPP sir, you can continue.
Yes, that's what the assignment which is being given. Let's take it in a absolute serious manner and let's complete it on a high note. Once again, all the very best to all the participants. Let's see who becomes the Creativity Ka Badsha, and congratulations to the entire team. Thank you so much. Over to you, Chairman.
Thank you. So the grand finale of Creativity Ke Badsha, which was supposed to be on 15th, but due to COVID, we are shifting from offline to online. So it's on 28th of April. All the rest of the details would be coming on WhatsApp. So stay tuned for it and make sure all the assignments are done before 25th. It's been a great journey of 1 month of Creativity Ke Badsha, a skill development on Photoshop and Corel Draw, where those people learn the art of making visiting card, posters, banner designs, and so on. And the another batch of video making learn the art of how to make videos with how to edit the photos. So it's been a great journey with all of you. Yes, it's Corona time. We could not do much. We could not end on the gala end. But so the classes were shifted from offline to online. But as we are sure that we will always come back stronger. And the grand finale of the Creativity Ke Badsha is on 28th. So let's everyone come back together on that day. So block your dates. Till then, let's practice, and give our best. Let's see who turns out to be the best Creativity Ke Badsha of JCI Bangalore Garden City. So stay tuned. Be safe. Keep smiling. Let's create a magic together. I would like to call our secretary for the vote of thanks.
So here comes a new way to express yourself. Creativity Ke Badsha. Sometimes words fall short, but a great video and Photoshop can act like a play off. Hope this journey of learning this kind of unique skill helps you create great waves and adds a new feather to your cap. I would like to thank NICT Director, Mr. Shiv Kumar sir. I would like to extend my thanks to the great faculty team from NICT, Photoshop and Corel Draw by Mr. Ravi sir. Thank you, sir. Photoshop and video making by Sushmita ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I would extend my warm gratitude to NICT for the venue and the amazing staff. I would also like to thank all the food vendors for all the delicious snacks that we had. I would also like to thank Zoom application for making our online classes easier. Chand ka chamak aap sabse hai. I would like to thank all the participants for being the great participants here. See you all soon. Keep smiling. Thank you.
Thank you, Secretary. I would request everyone to please stand for the national anthem. Please raise for the national anthem.
Savdhan. Requesting everyone to stand.
सावधान, राष्ट्रगान शुरू कर।
जनगणनायक
जय
जय
हे भारत भाग्य विधाता,
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय
भारत भाग्य विधाता,
जय
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 बोलो भारत माता की
In the capacity of today's chairman, I join this meet. I would request everyone to on your video mode. Let's take a photo, group photo.
रोशनी फुल ऑन रेडी ना टकाट
रोशनी को पता पत्रिका में आने वाला है।
I would request our project director or project coordinator to please take the photo.
तो उसे कुछ देर पीछे के रास्ते की तरफ जाते हुए दिखते हैं। पीछे का दरवाजा खुला रहता है और फिर गायब हो जाते हैं।
अवधि
तो देखिए क्या होता है, क्या करें, क्या तो चलते हैं और चलते हैं।
1, 2, 3, smile.
ऐसे कैसे पॉसिबल है? बस क्या ये कुछ है, बात तो तेजी से हुआ है।
It's done.
Just few minutes. बहुत सारे photos है.
No, I thought that we will leave the meeting. That's why.
Click one entire picture, no? Whoever has a laptop.
क्या लगा हुआ था? Special.
I feel sir, if you can take the privilege.
Take a picture and send it to the project team.
No, my laptop is switched off. I'll not be able to take. Sorry.
I think Raj Bhaiya, you can help us.
And if anyone wants, they can use their
1 second.
Photoshop skills, add everyone to a picture and send it to us. We don't mind.
Taruna Mehta will do it.
Oh, pakka.
Sanjay bhai.
So,
I'm on
so
mobile.
all the best, everyone. Let's see, practice before the due date. Hope so the assignment comes to us. And of course, we want to know who is the creativity. We are excited. Who is the creativity ke Badshah from JCI Bangalore Garden City. So bye.
One doubt.
Shubh
अगर कोई
Ratri,
लड़की
good
जीत ले तो
night.
will she be बादशाह? She has to be बेगम.
नहीं
Sanjay
creativity.
bhai, humorous as
सब
always.
बादशाह के ऊपर रानी होती है, रानी